Rice is a wonder grain which forms the staple diet for more than half the population in the globe. According to famous folklores, rice is considered to be a gift from the gods due to its delicious taste among all the cereals. Therefore, it is treated with reverence. For the entire rice-eating population, rice is life and forms an important part of their daily diet and culture. In spite of being a traditionally and culturally linked food grain with many good nutritional benefits, unfortunately, rice eating is also associated with a few human disorders such as diabetes. The major reason for its linkage with diabetes is the lack of dietary fiber, especially in its polished or refined grains. Brown rice, the unpolished form of rice, has the bran layer intact and has been suggested as an alternative for white polished rice. But brown rice has very low palatability and lacks the divine taste of white rice, hence not preferred by people widely as an alternative for the white rice. To provide a solution to this problem, our company, Udaya Agro Farm, in association with an agriculture R&D firm, Green Flora Biosciences Private Limited, Kumbakonam, after years of intensive research, had developed village rice varieties. Village rice varieties are richly endowed with high dietary fiber content even in their polished white grains, hence maintaining the divine taste with highest health benefits. In fact, the dietary fiber content in village rice varieties exceeds 12%, the highest level recorded globally in any rice variety. Such high dietary fiber content is present only in finger millet, and of course, which also lacks the divine taste and texture of rice. The health benefits of consuming high-fiber village rice varieties includes control in blood sugar levels, hence safe for diabetics and prevents the incidence of diabetes in those people with a diabetic family history, normalizes bowel movements and helps in bowel health, lowers blood cholesterol levels, thereby helping in cardiac health, helps in controlling body weight, thereby promotes good general health, promotes growth of beneficial bacteria in the intestines, thereby reducing the risk of colon cancer, helps in living a longer life as it detoxifies your body continuously, promotes better mineral absorption, thereby helps you in having stronger bones, better brain function, and in acquiring better immunity and defense against diseases. To safeguard the intellectual property rights globally for the unique technology, our R&D team, employed to develop a class of such wonder rice varieties, had applied for and have been granted the intellectual property rights. The village rice varieties had been developed by employing safe classical plant breeding methods such as mutation breeding and hybridization, complemented with safe modern breeding techniques such as marker-assisted selection and marker-assisted breeding. We assure that we have not employed any of the GM technologies such as genetic engineering or gene transfer methods. We also assure that we adopt good agriculture practices such as avoidance of banned chemical fungicides and pesticides to assure safe rice grains free from toxins reach our customers. To sustain the health benefits of village rice, we also perform stringent quality control measures to maintain the high dietary fiber values to the promised levels of more than 12% in every single lot of rice grain we produce. We start our quality control measure from the seed production programs. We determine the genetic purity of every single plant from which we produce the first stage of seed called nucleus seeds with DNA markers that we had discovered to be associated with high dietary fiber expression. We also undertake biochemical tests in every single grain lot we produce to assure high levels of dietary fiber content in each grain lot we sell to our customers. During cultivation in contract farmers' fields, our experts monitor the genetic purity and crop health status by periodical visits at critical stages of the crop growth. We take extra care to avoid adulterations of any kind by assuring harvesting is done only by our company-hired harvesters and personnel. We also pay great attention to maintain hygiene in the entire plant, process and product, perfectly free from moisture, insect pests and physical impurities. Thus, we ensure the greatest health benefits, physical quality and hygiene to our valued customers, thus justifying our slogan, "Eat healthy, stay healthy."